Call me back where you been. Say you're coming back from the dead. Damn, we must be some twins. Cause that's what they said about him. He staying night and sleeping in. We said it's ride or die, but fuck it, we both did then. Last time I cried, the tears just wasn't flowing like the sea in the ocean. I wanna be a big star in Hollywood, so I guess I should show more emotion. I guess I should live in the moment. I guess I should roll with the punches. First day gifts can't show up with nothing. Here's what I know, here's what I do know. I'm the only Don you know, other than Julio. Who understands you like me? Nobody truly knows. You say that there's nothing for you here and that you should go. Dubai doesn't need another Pilates studio. How can you just up and leave and I'm not included though? Fisher Island does sound a lot better than Sulphur Springs Road, but just listen to me. I love you so much, I cannot lose your soul. I've heard about soulmates, I've never gotten this close. I'm so close, so close. Yeah, so close to